Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to transfer money from Trust Wallet to Revolut best method. Alright, let's begin the video. First, you'll need to send your cryptocurrency from Trust Wallet to Binance. Start by opening your Trust Wallet and selecting the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. For this example, let's say you're using Bitcoin BTC. After selecting BTC, you'll need to send it to your Binance account. Next, log in to your Binance account and navigate to the deposit section. Here, you'll generate a deposit address for BTC. Copy this address and go back to Trust Wallet. In Trust Wallet, paste this Binance BTC deposit address in the send field. Make sure to select the correct network, often BTC or BEP. 2. Depending on the currency and the network Binance supports for your deposit. Once you've completed the transfer and your BTC arrives in your Binance account, the next step is to convert this cryptocurrency into fiat currency. To do this, go to the P2P peer-to-peer trading section on Binance. Here, you can trade your BTC for fiat currency. In the P2P trading section, select Sell to begin the process of converting your BTC to fiat. To find buyers who can transfer the fiat currency to your Revolut account, use the filter options to search for payment methods. Type in Revolut as your payment method in the filter settings. This will display potential buyers who are willing to pay via Revolut. After you find a suitable buyer, select the amount of BTC you want to sell and initiate the trade. Follow the instructions provided by Binance to complete the transaction. The buyer will transfer the fiat equivalent to your Revolut account once the trade is confirmed. It's important to note that P2P trading requires you to carefully follow instructions and adhere to security practices to ensure a smooth and safe transaction. Always confirm the transfer details and ensure you're dealing with verified buyers on Binance. Once the trade is complete and the fiat currency is in your Revolut account, you're done. This method ensures that your funds are safely transferred from your Trust Wallet to Revolut, even though it involves an intermediate step through Binance. So that's basically how to transfer money from Trust Wallet to Revolut best method. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.